Hello everybody. So I created a fully constrained sketch and let's say I want to hide some dimensions. Firstly, if you want to hide just one dimension, click on it, go to the Tasks tab and then Constraints, scroll down with the dimension selected in the view, you'll see it's going to be highlighted. Now click on the check it box to uncheck it and it's going to hide our dimension. To bring it back, click it again. And if you want to hide all of the dimensions at once, click on the eye icon and all of our dimensions are going to be gone. To bring them back, click on the eye icon again, and that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to support me, link in the description.